Hello, welcome to this video on question 6 that came in the past 2007 CSEC exam. Now, the question says the table shows the frequency distribution of the scores of 100 students in an examination. And it asks you to complete the table to show the cumulative frequency for the distribution. Let me use a highlighter. Complete the table to show the cumulative frequency for the distribution. That's 2 marks. And using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent a score of 5 centimeters on the horizontal axis and a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 10 students on the vertical axis, draw a cumulative frequency curve of the scores. Start your horizontal scale at 20. And for this problem, part 1 and 2, you get a total of 6 marks. As usual, pause the video, take out your notebook and do the exercise. Great, have you done so? Okay. Now, the thing to ask yourself is, or the thing to note is, this question tests your knowledge, understanding, and reasoning as it relates to what? Statistical information. You're given this table here and you're given the scores. In order for you to answer this question, you need to understand what is frequency distribution, what is cumulative frequency. You need to be able to draw curves. You need to understand the concept of statistical averages. So let me display the list of key concepts that you need for you to answer this question. Do you understand the concept of a frequency distribution, cumulative frequency, drawing curves? Do you know how to draw curves? Do you understand the concept of statistical average, mean, mode, and median, and calculating probabilities? The other part of the question deals with that. So in order to bust this CSEC math problem, you need to ask yourself questions. Do I understand the problem? The question asks you to complete a table. So you're given a table. So do you understand the table? It has the scores. What's the meaning of these numbers 21 to 25, 26 to 30? What's the meaning of frequency here? What are the givens? You're given the scores of 100 students in an examination. And for example, the first set here, scores that fell between 21 and 25. The number of students who got scores between 21 and 25 was 5, so that's the frequency. Now, the number of students who scored between 26 and 30, you got 18. The number of students who got 23, who got marks between 31 and 35 was 23. So those are the givens, okay? Then you're asked to what? Calculate the cumulative frequency. So how do you do that? Well, in the first column, the cumulative frequency, there's no other score before that, so it's 5. Let me erase some of this stuff. So how do you get the cumulative frequency for this? Well, you add 5 and 18 to give you 23. And you add 23 and 23 to get the score there is 46. At 46 and 22 you get 68. Add 68 and 21 you get 89. So that's how you get the cumulative frequency. The word cumulative means adding up. It accumulates. So those are the results. So if you got it correct, you'll get 6 marks. You'll get 2 marks for this. 2 marks. In the next video, we look at this part of the problem, part 2.